What's the meaning of cooling tower? Cooling tower. Cooling tower.
Cooling tower. Cooling tower. A cooling tower is a large device used in industrial and commercial settings to remove heat from water that has been used in various processes or equipment. The tower works by circulating the hot water through a series of tubes while drawing in cool air from outside, which helps to transfer the heat into the atmosphere. The cooled water is then returned to the equipment for reuse. Cooling towers are essential for keeping industrial processes and equipment functioning properly, and are used in a wide range of applications including power plants, manufacturing facilities, and HVAC systems.